do you think patriotism is important quality for entrepreneurs? Because
Yeah.
this is pretty patriotic in general, right?
Well, no, I mean,
Because I'll tell you why I'm asking this question. People still consider US as a very big avenue,
yeah, I guess it's
as even as entrepreneurs, by the way, even in 2025.
yeah, I guess it's to each his own
Okay.
or her own. If you play the long game, you'll find that India probably has got prospects as good as America, perhaps even better over 30, 40 years. So countries change over decades. इंडिया में भी बदलाव आ रहा है, आया है, आगे जाके और आएगा. I think India is a good place to be.
India is a good place. Do you ever feel when I'm sure this statement didn't make sense or let's say affect you at all, but do you think what could have been if you were outside India? Ever come across that thought?
No.
Looking at Sama sir and other people who've
No,
been
people have done very well
Yeah.
by going overseas. No question about it. People are talented. People are hardworking. People are are highly qualified. And so talented, hardworking, highly qualified people will do well in most places they go to.
Okay, then why do most affluent, talented people go to West even now?
I think there are enough who stay back.
Enough to stay back.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
I think we've seen success stories in India which are way beyond we might have imagined 30, 40, 50 years ago.
Okay.
Take a look at Deepinder Goyal of Zomato. Take a look at Yashudaya and Policy Bazaar. India offers opportunities which it was not offering 50 years ago.
Okay.
Okay, in the area of business, enterprise, even R&D now, deep tech. तो इंडिया का फ्यूचर है बॉस और इंडिया में फ्यूचर है.
And sir,
बाकी बियॉन्ड दैट इफ समबडी चूजेस टू गो ओवरसीज वो तो पर्सनल चॉइस है.
understood.